No turning back. I am putting this down, and it should dry by the time it gets too late tonight. Yeah, I only got maybe a third of a gallon left, and it's gonna take all of it. Okay, I'm just gonna put all of it down. All of it, come on, baby. Once I see it in the pan, that's quite a bit. I think it'll take it all. I'm going to try to put it on as thick as I can. Well, I might as well get it all. Actually quite a bit in here. Once you clean off the edges and stuff. It's right in my paint tray with my plastic insert in there. I washed all this stuff off. It does come off better with warm water than just cold water. And I took a sponge and got it all off me. So I'm not too worried if I get any more on me. Okay, that's good grief. That's a lot. Well, if it doesn't take all that, I can put some back in the can, right? Okay. Unroll my roller from the plastic, and I'm good to go. This is all wet, but that's all right. And I'm hoping to reach out there and get it all from here. And I'm pretty sure I can. I guess I can just leave it up here. Lord. Just dip it in there a little bit more. Get it on there as thick as I can, huh? There's no trick to this. It just put a little bit on at a time. And if I had a 9-inch roller and a 9-inch cover, I'd use it. I don't have one. I should have bought one at the store, but you know, they don't really cost very much. I don't have to get it perfect along the edge because remember I got it all with my paintbrush from before. So I'm just looking to do the main area. Yeah, it's still damp a little bit, tacky, slightly. That's all right. If you had a flat roof, this is how you would do it if you were going to use this material. But you wouldn't use a 6-inch mini roller like I'm using. You'd use a 12, at least a 12-inch, not a 9-inch. That would be too small, depending how big your roof is. Let's see if you can, I think you can see that, where you're at. Now, if I had an extension pole, and if this was a bigger floor, I would use that. I used to have a long extension pole, painter's extension pole. Actually, I think I still do. It's at my mom's. It's got one of those heads where you take the cobwebs off stucco walls and stuff. You know, one of those big bushy round heads. And I just ended up leaving it with her. Now that I've got a nice stucco house of my own, I can bring it here because I see lots of cobwebs, always cobwebs on stucco walls. And you just take that and brush it on there. And I found the best way to do that with that round head is to spin it. Spin it with my pole. Twist it. Don't just try to get up there and rub it one direction. Spin it. Just take it and spin it like that. I might have just enough. Just enough. I'm getting the full coverage on here, too. As thick as I can put it on. So 1 gallon actually does go quite a ways. You know, if you only got one little deck to do, say. And I'm going to end up putting, I could just leave it, you know. with 2 coats on here and be done with it. But I have a feeling it's just gonna be that much better if I put on a few more coats, build it up a little bit. You know? Look at that. I'm just almost out. That was pretty darn close, wasn't it? Look at that.